A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B, Standard 2nd. Now look this picture, students. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is the picture of a farmer who is farming in his field. Okay, so today's subject is English, Standard 2nd. Topic: a farm picture composition. Okay, now observe this picture, students. Now based on this picture, we have to write few sentences on it. Okay, so let's read one by one. A farmer. The farmer is one of the most useful people. A farmer lives in a mud house in the village. He gets up early in the morning. He goes to the field with his cows and plow. He grows food and feeds all of us. A farmer becomes happy if there is good rainfall. He lives a simple and honest life. Most of the people of our country are farmers. They are great friends of the country. A farmer plays a major role for the benefit of the society. Now let's make few more sentences on a farmer. A farmer lives in a village. He grows crops and keeps animals. He works very hard. He gets up early in the morning and begins to work in the field. He takes his plow and a pair of oxen with him. Rains are very important to a farmer. A farmer becomes happy if there is good rainfall. We need food to survive. A farmer grows food grains, vegetables, fruits and pulses. He continues to work from morning to evening. For him, rain, cold or suns do not matter much. A farmer leads a very simple life. He is very poor. He lives in hut and mud houses. We get to eat food because the farmer grows it for us. Therefore, a farmer plays a major role for the benefit of the society. Okay, now homework for you, students. You have to describe this picture. Now observe this picture, students, and I'll give you a hint. See the first line, the farmer. It is a picture of a farmer and his family. Okay. So, and the farmer name is Bhaurao. Okay. So, first sentence, Bhaurao is a farmer. He has a small farm. And rest of the sentences you have to make with your own. Okay. Okay. Now let's take recap of few sentences, okay, made by me. Okay, so this is a homework for you students, but let's see, have a look. Okay, write a few sentences about the picture on above slide number 5 of this PPT. Okay, now see few sentences on that picture. Bhaurav is a farmer. He has a small farm. He has 2 goats and a bullock. His wife and his daughter help him on the farm. Bhaurav has an axe in his left hand. There is a spade on the ground. He has turban on his head. His daughter is sitting on the ground and feeding a goat. His wife is doing some work. Okay, so this is the homework for you students. You have to write, you have to draw this you have to draw this picture or stick this picture and write few sentences on this. Okay, thank you and have a nice day students.